Hey guys, welcome to Wasteland. In today's video on the technology section, we are going to watch how to install a tempered glass or a scratch card for the Apple Series 1 smartwatch. So this is the tempered glass I have purchased in Amazon. It cost around 500 rupees, but it's given as MRP as 999. So this is the tempered glass. We shall open it now. So we have the tempered glass inside, and we also have the screen protector accessories that are used to stick the tempered glass on the Apple smartwatch. So they have given the instructions here, you can see it clearly. So it's very easy to install. So this is the watch. Actually there is small dent on its corner, so we thought of covering it with the scratch card or the tempered glass so that it won't be visible. If you also have some dents on the corners of your watch, you can use this tempered glass and cover it so that the dent won't appear. So this is the tempered glass we are going to stick on this. So first we will keep it inside. We shall make the watch ready to stick it. So now let's take the accessories pouch. So we are going to stick the scratch card. For that we have to open the accessories pouch. We can see the contents here. You have a cloth, and you have a dust absorber sticker and a guide sticker, and you also have wet wipes and dry wipes. So first we can take the cloth and wipe the watch so that you can remove all the dust. And now we have to clean the watch with the wet wipes, so we shall take the wet wipes out. So we can take the wet wipes out, and we can wipe the watch with the wet wipes. It's little wet, and so we can wipe it so that you can see the water molecules on the screen of the watch. So you can wipe it better that there is no dust on the watch screen. Make sure that you don't have any dust on the screen. Now we can take the dry wipes and wipe the watch screen. So this is the dry wipes, so we can wipe the screen again so that there is no dust present on the screen. So now we have to take the dust absorber. You would have small dust particles on the screen. To remove those, we have to use the dust absorber. So yeah, now taking this, you just have to hold it on the part and just stick the dust absorber on the screen and just take it out so that you can remove all the minute dust particles on the screen of the Apple iSeries watch. This is the same process that's been carried out for all the series of Apple watches. So we can keep it. Now you can take the dry tissue once again and wipe so that all the minute dust particles are gone. So make sure that you don't have even a small dot on the screen of your watch. After wiping that, now we can take the scratch card in our hand. So you need to follow the procedure to stick the scratch card carefully. So take the guide sticker. So you have to take the guide sticker and stick it across as I am showing in this video now, and you have to take the other sticker and stick it in the opposite direction, just straight opposite to the corner you have already stuck. And now make sure the scratch card fixes perfect. So now you have the white color sticker at the back of the scratch card of the tempered glass, and now you slowly remove the glass sheet sticker and slowly take the watch and slowly stick the tempered glass over the I-series watch. So, and now start pressing the scratch card over the I-series watch, Apple Watch, and make sure you press it from one end to the other so that you don't find any air bubbles inside. So even if you have any small air bubbles, it will be gone in 1 or 2 days, but make sure that you press it tight and so that these air bubbles are gone. I hope you had understood how to install the tempered glass in an Apple I-series watch. The same procedure is followed in all the Apple I-series watch. I hope you liked this video. He is the owner of the Apple Watch. Don't forget to subscribe our channel if you are a new viewer. So we'll meet you in another technology video. Until then, bye from Girish.